In this lesson, we're going to explore how to export a layout into a PDF file. It's fairly simple and fairly easy, and just a couple commands that we need to use for this. So let me switch my display here. So here you can see the script that we've written to do this, and we're just going to annotate what the script does. We have the import arcpy that we're used to seeing in our scripts. The OS stands for the operating system. And so we're importing that, which is something new for us. Since this is working with the layout, we're working with the project file, so we see the MP there. Anytime we're working with the project file, the commands are usually going to have the MP as part of it. That's the mapping module that we're looking at. Our command is ArcGIS project. Notice it has the APRX extension on it, so we know we're looking at the project file. We're not looking at a shape file, but instead we're looking at that whole project file. Remember, in your project files you can have multiple layouts, but we're looking at the first layout position. So we name a variable project, which gives us our pathway to the project file. We then name a variable layout, which gives us just the layouts. So we have this variable and we're looking at the first layout, and what we want to do is export this. So the command is to take the layout, that variable, .export to PDF, and then we give the complete pathway for the PDF. So it's pretty straightforward. You got to get a variable that is for your project. You got to then look at the layouts in your project, but you don't want to look at the maps and things like that. You want to look at just the layouts in your project. And then you need to export that layout in some format. You'll see in the next lesson we look at other formats other than just the PDF, but our command there is export to PDF, so it's going to send it out as a PDF file.